It's been a while, haven't felt this way in a long time. Can I tell you a secret? It gets a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy. It gets a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy.
Guys, so of course before we get into this video, we gotta get a double-double. Gotta be done. And in this video, hi there, I'm gonna have a double-double, medium. We are going to be talking about the hater comments I got. Friggin', oh my god, they're so good. I just gotta read them. It's gonna be the best thing, like, ever. Got our Tims. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get into it. So, I'm gonna wear my sunglasses because that light that I have lighting me up is bright as shit. So there's that. So here's the deal. I have 9% battery left. I'm gonna read comments until the phone dies. Alright, let's open up YouTube. I just saw Eminem's response to Machine Gun Kelly as well. It's called Kill Shot. You guys should check it out. I'm thinking that, well, what MGK said was like real stuff. It was like actual disses using facts and things that happened, whereas Eminem was just calling names. Tell me if I'm right or wrong down the... Alright, I'm gonna start with the latest one. This is where I was using the Cummins to, I had to finish a job there with the Cummins. Anyways, let's see, right now it's got 1.2K, 87 likes, 5 dislikes. Why do you insist on manually shifting all automatics? That's a great place to start. So this question, I guess we'll call it, is from Highball 734. Basically, well, in the Cummins, I was doing it just to try and get the sound out of it. The sound is best when you let the motor, you know, rev down. You let the turbo go all the way down. When the turbos are spooled up, it kind of muffs the sound a bit. So when you let the turbo spool all the way down, that first 2 seconds of throttle sounds really deep, sounds really grave. It's just what I was doing for the sound. Also, I just hate automatic transmissions. Like, I shift automatic transmissions manually for the same missions. I shift automatic transmissions manually for the same reason why people go buy a Chrysler or a Fiat product, just because it has a manual transmission. I don't care for the clutch, but I do like controlling the gears. You know, automatic transmissions, they just don't know what's going on. They don't know if you're about to go up a hill. They don't know when you need to slow down. My truck, this one here, the 2017, or my F250, when I know I need to slow down, I can start using the engine brake. It doesn't hurt the brakes at all. Whereas in automatic mode, you have to slam on the brakes, you know, just wearing them out before you get any engine braking at all. That's why I do it. 6 in a row, ready to tow, 8 in a V. 6 in a row, ready to tow, 8 in a very, you sit down to pee. So close. But about that far from being original. Would the dealer not have red flagged your truck because you put DEF in the diesel? I can bet if they saw your video, any issues with your fuel system won't be under... That's untrue, because it would be a big court process to avoid the warranty, and there is no direct proof that I put DEF in the tank. That's half the reason why I didn't actually go to Great Lakes to prove it. It was kind of like a believe my word type thing. Why would I lie about that? Make myself look stupid. So yeah, that was it. They can't do stuff like that. So it seems like we got a lot of Cummins fans here. Please, out of love for the diesel community, please get a Cummins. It'd be kind of cool. Maybe getting like an old 12-valve project truck, or I don't know what. I might make a poll on it. You know, what Cummins should I get? The new ones, well, maybe get like a 2012, 2013, 6.7. Who knows? Okay, let's move on. Let's look at the latest video. Or the next to latest video. I put DEF in my diesel tank. Need to rename the channel. Dummy Industries. Of course I'm not taking offense to it, but really, like, seriously, would you rather me post all the good stuff, the fake shit, the stuff that no one really cares about, or do you want to see, you know, what things go wrong so that maybe you cannot repeat my mistakes or learn from them? But anyways, yeah, it's true. I do a lot of dumb shit on this channel, but whatever. It's I just like posting that kind of video. That's just my thing. I laughed at this one pretty good. You're so greatly incompetent at everything you do. It's unbelievable. I actually love that. I actually love that comment. Don't worry. That's it was pretty funny and kind of true. This guy is truly an idiot. From towing a Skitter beyond the capability of the truck to now this. Go get beyond the truck, but was beyond the trailer. It wasn't beyond the trailer, but what happened in that video was that it was beyond the trailer's offload capability. Those ramps, and I guess the back of the trailer as well, it's only rated for 9K, 9,000 pounds. That Skitter was obviously more than 9,000 pounds. That's where things went wrong. The axles had no trouble taking the weight, and the chassis of the trailer flexed a bit, but like not half so much as a PJ would have, so it's not that bad. Sometimes I'm thankful that I have a 7.3. Well, you should be. Okay, the comments aren't that good on this one. Inspiring me to get into hot-shotting. Love the vids, keeping them coming. Thank you, but how in the world do my videos inspire anyone to start What? I read some of the comments that were in the Skitter video. Man, a lot of these guys were mad about, you know, nothing happened during the trip. It was fine. I went down a 12% grade that was 2 kilometers long at like 50 kilometers an hour. If that seemed out of control, then I feel bad for you guys. You guys must be really fun at party. This is why you don't haul equipment with a light duty pickup. A lot of you guys aren't getting. A lot of these guys aren't getting. This truck could handle that weight easily. It was a joke. Come on, I want to see something funny. Thanks for putting out the effort, bud. You're welcome. You're trying to go fast with that no oversized load jail coming. Jail incoming? And at what point was I trying to go fast? This guy. Big Daddy Briefcase, you need help. 13 tons is only 26,000 pounds. This Jessa Phillips chick always has something to say. And then next comment, are you telling us that the trailer and the ATV on the back weigh 7,000 pounds? The trailer itself weighs 10,000 pounds, so there's that. Now someone posted, let's see, Greg Johnston, hold a steady RPM at 2,500. Hey, this was for going uphill. Hold a steady RPM at 25 to 3,000. Keep it off the floor. I actually started doing that. It's a lot easier now. Sometimes when I'm towing really heavy, you know, like 25,000 pounds trailer and everything. I mean, even 25,000 pounds, I can only go up the hill at maybe like 40 or 50 doing this. But that's usually what I'll do. I'll usually set it at, it peaks at 2,800, so I'll usually put it at 23, 2,500, and yeah, just take it easy. Pisses everyone off behind you, but I mean, why didn't I buy an F450 or F550? Well, this truck was expensive enough and hard to find enough that, you know, I just needed a truck. Let's get it over with. It's good enough. We're down to 1%. Get scroll way down. Okay. These trucks, shit, battery just died. Last comment was, these trucks, someone said these trucks don't have as much torque as the factory claims. Well, that would make a great, it would definitely be interesting to have one of these dyno tested. I think there's a dyno in St. John somewhere. be pretty cool to actually dyno this. That's a great video idea. I think we're definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna end this video here. I hope it was pretty good. Don't mind the Casey Neistat glasses shit. I mean, this light is bright. It's pretty bright. Camera does a good job at automatically dealing with stuff. Wow. Guys, I'm doing a drone giveaway, 20,000 subs. I'm giving away Phantom 4. Pretty awesome drone. Gets great shots. Get a lot of my footage with it. So yeah, make sure you stick around for that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Not gonna tell you again like all those other YouTubers. You know, you're free to do what you want. It's a free world. You can pretty well. Don't need to be told. You're not gonna get persecuted. It's okay. Oh, and also I'm gonna do a poll like pretty soon. I'm gonna do a poll pretty soon about what music you guys want to hear. I think in this video I'm gonna be using some, or I have used because it's already used because you're already like in the near present. I'm doing a poll. You guys can vote on what kind of music we hear. I use a bit of like hip hop, no copyright hip hop, and I use some like electronic stuff. Use a bit of pop, I think. I'm not sure what it is. Use a little bit of everything. I'd just like to hear from you guys. You know what music gets you fired up. So leave that. Have a good night, because right now it's nighttime. Because I suck at time management. Okay, I'm gonna go edit this. I'm done.